Well, good. Now you guys look in my eyes, not right? Everybody, good. And I show you an empty slide here, and now, what are you thinking and what you have in your head? Perhaps I think nothing, right? We have definitely war-like night is passed through, and we have tired and fatigue in our bodies, right? And who are you? Why I'm here? That was the question I've got the last night with my messy around the table and working spaces. Our university, UNIST, has unique university identity that I adapted from the website of UNIST homepage, that is about the reading star. At the middle of the emblem, there is a tower and star, and they explain about its symbolize of leadership and shining pioneer and challenging spirits of as a scientist and engineer. And we think it is very important spirit that we should put into our souvenir. And then who visit UNIST and who wanna buy this souvenir? We think there is major two groups. One is student, and second is businessman coming to UNIST as a business trip. And they also, same as us, they spend a lot of time in front of the desk. And they gonna think, why I'm here? Why I'm doing here? As a design concept, same as you guys, we look around another souvenirs of university, and we found a static data that the notes and pencils, something like 문구류, studying supplies are extremely well in sales. And we choose three criteria: symbolic and aesthetic and functional aspects. So our souvenir must be symbolize UNIST, especially the leading star. And aesthetically, it should be beautiful and crystal clear. And functional, to make usefulness to our user, we think its size and weight should be small and compact. So therefore, they can get the souvenir into their small journey bag. And we choose especially the memo board, and we try to combine with the meaning and symbol of the UNIST. To materialize our souvenir, we choose clear and LED strip and liquid chalk, in Korean 물백묵, and we're trying to use the infrared sensor, but I will explain later. But in manufacturing process, it cannot be used anymore. And also Arduino and battery is adapted. Our key function is the sensor sense the approaching or movement of user, then enlight the memo on the acrylic board. So user touch or approaches to the symbol of UNIST, it enlight. The star will be brightened around the user. And this is the starting idea sketches. As above, you can see the today's schedule that is drawn on the memo board of acrylic. Oh, what is this? Sorry. And after that, we draw in digital. That means CAD. And we want to show you about the design process. Everything is familiar. Oh, what happened? Sorry. Think. How can I get to? Yeah. Now you see the whole process of our design, and you can see. Now I'm gonna tell you about our struggles and what happened when we tried to materialize this product. By showing the real product in here. Oh, empty. Actually, here is no memo, and you can see the LED strip inside. And back here, we adapt sonification, hypersonic sensor instead of the red infrared sensor, since infrared sensor has been broken in manufacturing process, and we how can I say, it was emergency of us, and we adapt this and change the outer shape. Unfortunately, there must be no hole at the back side using the infrared sensor, but the hypersonic sensor usually need to two hole to get input inside, and then we make a hole, and these two holes makes us to mind bug memo in Korea. As a user can use any color of the liquid chalk and write down something. Whoa. As the light emitting from the LED goes through the whole upper board, and then the node will be enlightened. And this is the package of our UNIMEMO. Picture. UNIMEMO. Slim and separate. What is the most disaster came to us was this two-hole again, and you can see Mr. Six, Mr. Six trying to make this hole, and it takes 3 days almost. We spent 2 days to just make these two holes. At first, we trying to bend the upper board, and then it make a hole using the CNC machine. However, our acrylic board was melting down, and then we changed the material from the acrylic board from the Gyeongri Guamungu, and then we changed into the domestic acrylic board in UNIST campus. And then we turned the CNC again. However, after we assembly with this with this pipe shape, and then we realized if we matching this engraving and the slate inside, the hole cannot be matched perfectly. So Mr. Yu suggests us another way. After assemble, and then make a hole using CNC. So this is the result of our struggle. And what I want to say at the first page of the slide, the empty slide. Whenever our table goes too messy, our job task was comprehensive, then there should be a light to lead us, since we can easily to lost our way where I have to go. With the UNIMEMO and the reading star in here, the student and also the white collar members can track their way properly in the tough time. Thank you for listening.